everyone. This is Marimar in Bahrain and welcome back to my channel. So guys, ang ating birthday queen ngayon si Pinay Life USA. At siya ay ating babatiin ng happy birthday. More birthdays to come and more power to your channel. And always I'm here, Madam Kabsat Pinay Life USA. Walang magbabago. Magbabago lang ang ihip ng hangin papunta ng daya, papunta ng laod, bagatan, ano pa ba? Amyanan. So, thank you so much to all your support and thank you for all advice. May God bless you always. More blessings to come and thank you for everything that you are giving to me advice. Thank you so much. Thank you for all helping me as a YouTuber. Pinay Life USA, thank you so much. And don't worry, I'm still here. Thank you for always advice and ano pa nga ba? Siyempre, di ba? Thank you. God bless. Ingat lagi. Bye.
Hi, Pinay! Happy birthday!
Birthday to you!
Sinta Charming and I wanna greet you happy birthday and more blessings to come!
Many more.
Yeah, stay pretty and just continue doing what you're doing. You're helping a lot of people, you have a big heart, so stay blessed.
Have a great day.
Take care! Bye-bye! Love you! Bye-bye!
Hello everyone. This is Ellie again. So for today's video guys, I just all the best in life and health and stay positive and you always do. Always remember. Things to come and enjoy my view and please stay safe always and bye.
Hello Win, Pinay Life USA, Pinay USA. Happy birthday to you and wish ko sa'yo na lagi kang masaya and mabigyan ka pa ng maraming blessings and good health always para makatulong ka pa sa mga small YouTuber na gaya ko. Maraming salamat and God bless.
Happiest birthday, kapatid. My prayer for you is may God continue to bless you with overflowing blessings, more joy and happiness in life, At patuloy kang gamitin para maging blessing sa iba. Okay? At dahil dyan, kantahan kita. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Yun na. God bless you. Okay? Love you. Keep safe always.
Isa po sa tumulong sa YouTube channel. Pinilig ko si Happy Birthday po sa mga YouTuber na lalaki sa amin po. Salamat po sa lahat ng tulong mo sa pagtulong sa YouTube channel ko. Happy birthday po. More blessings to come. Stay safe always sa pamilya niyo po. Ingat po kayo laging happy. Happy birthday po. Stay safe po and God bless us. Bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. May you live long, my dear. May you live long, my dear. May you live long. Welcome to the vlog, and don't like to do kasama nila. And most of all, may blessings to come your way. Thank you sa lahat ng support na sa akin. At andito lang ako sa video. Hanggang hintay. Once again, happy birthday and happy birthday. I love you.